Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by building the minimal semantic structure, a nav wrapper with a ol inside it. Add lie items and put a links in each list item. This gives screen readers and browsers a clear menu model. Once done, give each link meaningful text and an href, even if it's a placeholder like hash. Make sure to add area labels on the nav if the menu isn't self-explanatory, because accessibility matters. This helps users and search tools understand your navigation. Next, you style and wire up behavior so the menu actually works. Use CSS to lay out items, display, flex, or inline block for horizontal menus, and control spacing with padding and gap. For interaction, style, hover and focus states to show affordance, and set active styles for the current page. Once done, add a concise JavaScript toggle to open /close mobile menus and update area expanded on the trigger. This keeps keyboard users and assistive tech in sync. Make sure transitions are subtle to avoid jarring motion. Finish by testing thoroughly. Keyboard tabbing should reach each link, and enter or space must activate toggles and links. Verify responsive behavior. Breakpoints should collapse the menu into a toggle, and touch targets should be comfortable, roughly 44px or larger. Once done, run quick accessibility checks. Ensure area expanded, area controls, and focus outlines behave correctly, and confirm contrast ratios. If things break, first inspect console errors and area state values. Often a missing area update or CSS specificity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.